Hey everybody, it's September 7th, 2020, and we are at our property in Blairsville. And we haven't started building yet, so I wanted to start from the beginning and chronicle the whole process. So this is the entrance behind me. Last time we were here, we rented a skid steer and we put in the driveway. We put the number 3 stone on some geotextile fabric and made an entryway. That's what required here in Union County. And I don't know if you can see the blue flags over my shoulder. That's where the water meter is going to be. And then off there in the distance, that's Highway 76. The main road into Blairsville, and we do have quite significant traffic noise from it, but we have lake access too, so you got to take the good with the bad. And so this is the beginnings, and here you see our property back here. And what we've done so far is we hired a company to remove about a ½ acre worth of trees, and they're piled up over there, and a septic tank drain field was installed on the lower side. So the property's 2 1/3 acres. About 1 acre is up on top of this hill, and the rest of it is over the hill down to the lake, and it's on Coosa Creek, which is a tributary to Lake Nautilus. So let's walk down here. So that's where the water meter is going to be. And there's the fabric I was talking about. So we haven't started building yet. We haven't even got a build permit yet. Last time we were here, we moved a bunch of dirt when we did the driveway. Put up some silk fence, because we get real uptight about silk fence around here close to the lake. So today we did a little clearing down here in this corner, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to build this corner up. We've got a bunch of rocks we're going to stack up along the edge of that road, and we're going to take all this dirt and we're going to move it down here and try to make an earth wall to block some of this road noise. So from there all the way over to there, we're going to make a probably close to 8-foot wall of dirt. This is the building site for the barn. Those are grade stakes, those orange stakes. And this is where the septic tank is. Right there by that black pipe and those flags. So we do have a septic tank. We got enough drain field for a 4-bedroom, and we just had the power hooked up. We have right there, we have power. I installed the meter a couple weeks ago, and so once we have water and power, we're going to move our camper up here, and I'll show you the lake. And it's not too bad of a walk down to the lake. You can kind of see it through the trees a little bit there. So there's the lake. And we do have, we are able to have a dock at the bottom. I'm not going to walk down the hill, but so this is it. This is the beginnings of our Blairsville, Georgia mountain home on Lake Nautilus.